Istanbul, a city where the past whispers through the millennial domes and imperial palaces, while the present gleams with modern luxury. A city that blends East and West, offering a taste of the finest indulgences. Today, we invite you to journey through Istanbul's most luxurious hotels and world-class Michelin-starred dining experiences. Istanbul is home to some of the most opulent hotels in the world. The city is famous for being a place where culture, heritage, and the modern world come together. These hotels are nothing less than perfection. Each suite offers a unique touch of Istanbul, blending rich Ottoman heritage with the latest in luxury. Here, every guest is treated like royalty, with personalized services to match. From breakfasts by the Bosphorus to rejuvenating spa treatments inspired by ancient traditions, Istanbul's luxury hotels promise an experience like no other. But luxury in Istanbul is not just where you stay, it's what you taste. The city's culinary scene is a testament to the art of fine dining, featuring Michelin-starred restaurants that transform traditional Turkish flavors into modern masterpieces. Istanbul's culinary scene has been one that the entire world has been talking about throughout history. But the newest addition to the scene is, of course, the Michelin stars. Today, we are at Araka, and I have the great honor and pleasure of sharing a dinner with the only female Michelin star chef in Istanbul, Zeynep Pınar Taşdemir. So I wanted to ask you, what is the inspiration behind these beautiful plates?
As I delve into the history of Istanbul cuisine, I realized that my kitchen carries a genetic inheritance of its legacy. It's my inspiration.
From Anatolian-inspired tasting menus to dishes that capture the essence of Istanbul's culinary diversity, these restaurants are an experience that are as unforgettable as this city itself. Tonight, I have a chance to have an insider chit-chat with one of the Michelin star chefs of Istanbul. This is Chef Serkan Aksoy at the Nicole restaurant.
Istanbul is a melting pot of flavors and cultures, and in my kitchen I strive to honor that heritage by pushing the borders of creativity. Each dish is a story, a fusion of traditional Turkish ingredients with modern techniques designed to surprise and delight. For me, cooking isn't just about food, it's about creating an experience that connects people to the soul of this incredible city.
Stay, savor, and immerse yourself in the perfect harmony of tradition and contemporary elegance in a city that's always ahead of its time. Discover Istanbul's finest, only in Türkiye.